Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics here to introduce our SS3 kit for the 2017 and up Super Duty. Now, if you haven't heard of the SS3, it's the newest pod on the market and it's designed with the newest technology as well, making it much more intense than anything else out there. It focuses all the light into highly useful beam patterns. So this is a great upgrade on the Super Duty with our kit. Now this kit includes bezels which fit directly into the original brackets. It's a totally plug-and-play installation with no modification. And as you can see, once installed, it's a really nice clean look with the bezel all the way around the lamp. You still get a nice off-road appearance, but it's still really clean, almost like a factory upgrade. Now, like I said, this uses great optical technology, so we can offer it in two road-legal beam patterns. This isn't just off-road use. First is the fog light pattern. This will provide much more intensity than the factory halogen or LED fog lights, and it's available in two different colors, either a modern cool white or a selective yellow, which some say pierces through fog a little bit better. The pattern is going to be a really wide spread of light with a huge amount of intensity. Really noticeable upgrade. Now our other beam pattern is a driving light, also known as auxiliary high beam. Since the Super Duty is classified as a heavy-duty truck, it can be used in all 50 states legally as extra high beams on the road. It provides almost a wide spot pattern to really illuminate the road ahead, and it's a great upgrade if you're driving a lot on dark roads at night. Both beam patterns are available in a Sport or a Pro power level. They'll both be a great upgrade over your factory lighting, but the Pro does have quite a bit more light. They all come with that Super Duty Fitment kit, which will plug directly into your factory bezel. Again, it's completely plug and play, no modification required. And a wire adapter is included to plug it directly into your factory harness. Now, this kit is designed for fitment on the 2017 and up Super Duty, but we also offer other kits to bring you all the way back to 1999 and up Super Duty with other fitments available. We also have fitments for other trucks and a lot of cars on the road. To find your kit, check out diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.